Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to make blur follow object in CapCut PC. This is a CapCut video editing tutorial, and for us to be able to get started, we'll just open a new project in here. So simply click onto that one, and then right after, we need to go ahead and import the video that we want to go ahead and add a blur to follow in an object. So we could simply click onto the import option in here so that you could browse onto the different files that you have onto your device, or you could just simply drag and drop a video in here to proceed. So as you can see, we have simply added that. We're just going to go ahead and simply add this one here onto the timeline so that it should look like this. So as you can see in here, we have our video already in here added. So if you want to blur out a specific object in here, so for example, the ball. So what we could do in here is we could try to adjust this. So let's just leave this one up until this part. So we could split this and delete this one in here. And for us to be able to proceed, we're going to copy this one out. And then we're going to paste it here onto the upper part. So it should look something like this. Now we're going to go ahead and add in an effect. Click onto effects here onto the upper part, and then we'll add in a blur filter. So click onto blur, and then we're going to click onto the blur effect in here, and we're going to drag and drop it just like that. So we're going to click onto the outside portion in here, not onto the blue one. So this part in here onto its bottom part or onto its upper part, and we're going to head onto mask. So there are different options to choose from. We could choose a circle in here, or I could do a rectangle, or since we're trying to do the ball in here, we could try the circle. So we could position this one here onto the part of the ball. And for us to be able to go ahead and make this one follow the movement of it, we'll add a keyframe in here onto its first position. So add that as well as the size. And then for this one to be followed around, let's make this one bigger. Let's gonna adjust it just like that. So as you can see, it has moved. We're gonna add it, add in a keyframe again, and then you'll just need to follow the movement of the ball and then keep on adding the keyframe in here. So just like that. So as you can see, we have successfully blurred that one out and we have followed it. So you'll just need to repeat the same process until you have finished putting all of the things in here. So let's do a quick preview first in here. It should look something like this. So as you can see, we have followed the ball up until here. So we're just going to continue until we have finished this all. Now, once you have successfully added all of the keyframes, it should look like this. And let's do a quick preview on how it should look like. So as you can see, the blur effect has been following the ball already. So you could try to adjust this so that it should be really accurate to look at. And that is just basically it onto how to make blur follow object in CapCut PC. And if you think this tutorial has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.